Alright, YouTubers, it's your boy Da-viruz Systems here again, and we are here to do the chiri chara chara. And in our previous tutorial, we learned how to separate the head files from our project, and later on we include the head files back into our project. Now the next thing we'll be looking at is how to fetch out this header bar here out of our project and include it again. So we go back to our index file, then we open the index.php file in a text editor, and then we look for the header file, and this is our header. So we check from the header starts from 8, and then we look at where it ends. So from my header 8, I roll down to see the ending of what my header file, the ending of my header file, and it ends at 159. That is the ending of what my header file. So what I'll do is that I'll select my header file, to the beginning, number 8. So I'll come back to number 8, then I right click and cut, then I'll create a new file, and then I'll paste my files here, then I'll go to save button, then I'm going to save it as header.php. So I have header.php, then I will save it again. Then we go back to our index file, then include this header file. So instead writing the whole PHP code again, I'll just copy from here to save time, then paste it here, and then I'll add the ER to my head to make it header. Then I'll save it and then go back to refresh on my project, and then our project is still the same thing because we have already included a file, and then we have saved it, and then we are refreshing, and then nothing is lost in our file. That means that we have succeeded in separating the header files, and then we are including them back again. So we keep it very short so that you can follow the videos up, and please you can go over the video a number of times to make sure that you are okay with it before you move to the next video. That's why I'm making them very short, so that you can study them one after the other. So if you like my channel, please subscribe to my channel, and then like my videos too, and stay tuned with the Da-viruz tutorials till our next tutorial comes on your way.